What if I told you there are 30 camping gadgets that can literally change the way you explore the outdoors? From high-tech security to gourmet-level cooking under the stars, these Amazon finds are blowing up in 2025. And trust me, once you see number 19, you'll never go camping the same way again. Stick with me till the end. I've hidden some pro tips and Amazon deals you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Before we start, comment below. What's one thing you never leave behind when you camp? Sleeping bag, stove, flashlight? Let's see who's the real outdoor pro here. Let's start with protection. Meet the LETWESAF Outdoor Radar Motion Sensor Alarm. Unlike cheap infrared sensors, this radar tech sees through rain, fog, even pitch-black nights, giving you a 1/2 mile security bubble. It's waterproof, eye-powered to ignore false alarms, and runs off a rechargeable battery or solar. For campers, RV lovers, and off-grid adventurers, peace of mind doesn't get smarter than this. Would you trust AI to guard your campsite? Yes or no? Drop it below. Now, protection from bugs. The Alvantor pop-up screenhouse is like having a portable backyard oasis anywhere. Just toss it out and BAM Instant 10x10 shelter with 360 mosquito netting and UV protection. Perfect for backyard hangs, beach days, or camping nights. It folds down small, sets up in seconds, no tools, no stress. Asterisk. Who else hates mosquitoes more than bears? Comment buzz off if you agree. Sleeping on rocks? Never again. The Pretyw double sleeping pad is ultralight, inflates with a built-in foot pump, and gives you 4 inches of cushiony heaven. 2 people, 660-pound support, built-in pillows. It's like carrying your bed into the wild. And it packs down smaller than a water bottle. Be honest, are you a side sleeper or a back sleeper when camping? Drop your answer. Every camp needs a light tower, and this Clemas telescopic camping light does it all. Extends up to 43 inches, pumps out a blazing 6,000 lumens, runs 80 hours, and even charges your phone. Magnetic base, waterproof, and dimmable for mood lighting. It's not just a lantern, it's basically daylight on demand. Would you use this more for camping or backyard parties? I want to know. Old school vibes meet modern design. The Guide Gear outdoor wood stove is portable, rugged, and lets you cook and heat your space with real fire. It's compact but powerful, with a chimney for safe ventilation. Imagine waking up to hot coffee on a stove that also keeps your tent warm. That's next level camping. Coffee or tea over a campfire stove. Which team are you on? Gear fam, look at this. Over 95% of people watching right now aren't subscribed to the channel. That's wild. Here's the truth. If you're here watching breakdowns of survival gear, tactical tools, and outdoor gadgets, then you're already part of the tribe. Subscribing doesn't cost a dime, but it does mean you'll never miss the newest gear drops, secret Amazon finds, and survival hacks that quite literally make the difference between being stuck and being prepared. So let's change that number together. Hit that red subscribe button right now. Join this growing community and help us flip that chart so you're part of the insiders, not just the 95% drive-bys. All right, let's get back to it because the next gadget is an absolute beast you'll want to see. Speaking of cooking, the TEMBOTUSK Skottle grill is legendary. Think of it as a cowboy wok, stir-fry, steaks, bacon, pancakes, all on one pan. Made in the USA, lifetime warranty, collapsible legs, and propane powered. It even creates natural heat zones for multitasking meals. This is outdoor gourmet. What's the first thing you cook on this? Pancakes or steak? Let's hear it. Okay, coffee lovers, this one's for you. The AeroPress Go is your French press, pour over, and espresso maker all in one. Smooth, grit-free coffee in 60 seconds, and the whole kit fits in its own mug. Lightweight, durable, and perfect for camping or even your office desk. What's your go-to outdoor brew? Strong espresso shot or cold brew? Now, this is a Swiss Army knife of lanterns. The LOVORK 7"-1 lantern isn't just a light, it's also a fan, Bluetooth speaker, air pump, mosquito repellent, and a power bank. 100-hour battery life, waterproof, and fully modular. Why pack 7 gadgets when this one does it all? Asterisk. Would you use the speaker more? Or the fan? Comment your choice. Imagine taking the Tesla battery wall and making it portable. That's the YOOATOM Origin 800 Power Hub. Modular, shareable power banks that click together for 720 watt-hours of juice, 13 ports, solar charging, and UPS backup. Perfect for road trips, RVs, or emergency blackouts. This is future-proof power. Asterisk. Would you take this camping or keep it at home for emergencies? Let's debate. And finally, simple but essential, the Odoland Folding Campfire Grill. Heavy-duty steel mesh, foldable legs, compact storage bag, and heat resistance up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Throw it over a fire pit, grill steaks, or roast marshmallows. Sometimes the simplest gear gives the best memories. Okay, best campfire food ever. Marshmallows, hot dogs, or steak. Drop your pick below. Starting strong, this is the Fiskars X7 Hatchet. Don't let the 14-inch size fool you. This thing destroys kindling. Its razor-sharp carbon steel blade slices through wood up to 12 inches like butter, while the shock-absorbing Fibercom handle saves your hands from fatigue. Perfect for backyard firewood, hiking trips, or camping weekends. At just 1.5 pounds, it packs power without the weight. Honestly, once you swing this, you'll wonder how you ever camped without it. Tell me in the comments, are you Team Hatchet or Team Chainsaw? Ever wished you could cook like a pro outdoors? The nCamp folding chef knife makes it happen. With a 5-inch razor-sharp stainless blade and ergonomic wooden handle, it feels like something out of your kitchen, but folds down compact for your backpack. Lightweight, durable, and designed with proper knuckle clearance. It's made for real cooking in the wild. Slice veggies, prep meat, or fillet fish. This isn't a gimmick. It's a chef's knife disguised as a camping tool. What's your go-to camp meal? Hot dogs, grilled fish, or gourmet stir-fry? Drop it below. Okay, campers, forget soggy coolers. The ICECO Apple 3.5 portable fridge is the ultimate outdoor upgrade. With dual zone cooling down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, you get both fridge and freezer in one sleek aluminum body dot. It runs quietly on 12 volts car power, 24 volts truck power, or even at home. Whether it's icy drinks in the desert or fresh food on a week-long RV trip, this fridge eliminates the hassle of ice forever. And yes, there's even an app to control it remotely. If you had this fridge on your next trip, what's the first thing you'd stock? Nothing ruins camping faster than mosquitoes. Enter the FLEXTAIL Tiny Repel, a mini powerhouse that creates a 30-foot bug-free zone. With dual heating modes, built-in camping light, waterproof body, and even power bank function. This little guy is essential. Clip it to your backpack, hang it inside your tent, or stick it to metal with its magnetic design. No fuel, no smoke, just instant freedom from bugs. Who else hates mosquitoes? Comment bug or F if you're with me. This next one is built for survivalists, the Schrade Delta Bedrock Axe. It's compact, rugged, and doubles as a fire starter with the ferro rod tucked in the handle. The titanium-coated steel blade makes short work of wood, while the hammer pummel lets you drive stakes or crush tasks at camp. Lightweight yet tough, it's the tool you'll trust in emergencies or when backpacking deep off-grid. You carry a survival axe or multi-tool if you could only pick one. Comment your choice. Picture this, the warmth and glow of a campfire, but without the smoke in your face. That's the BioLite FirePit Plus. With 51 air jets powered by a rechargeable battery pack, it gives you smokeless flames and even turns into a hibachi-style grill. Plus, you can control it with your phone app. It's not just a fire pit, It's outdoor innovation at its finest. Would you use this more for grilling or chilling? Drop your vibe below. Now for one of the coolest tools here, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw. This cordless 6-inch beast cuts branches up to 6 inches thick one-handed. Lightweight at 2.6 pounds, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, safety features, and a full accessory kit. Perfect for yard work, camping prep, or tossing in your truck for emergencies. Seriously, you'll be shocked how much power is packed into this. Would you rather chop wood with a chainsaw or hatchet? Let's settle this in the comments. Knife collectors? This one's for you, the ARTISANCUTLERY Tactical Proponent Knife. With a 3.85-inch D2 steel blade, black PVD coating, and a solid G10 handle. It's built like a tank. Even comes with a locking pin for heavy-duty tasks. At 9 ounces, it's hefty, but that's exactly why it feels indestructible. A serious knife for serious adventurers. Who here collects knives? Drop how many you own below. No judgment. When the grid goes down, this keeps you connected. The Mesqool solar hand crank radio packs AM, FM, NOAA weather alerts, a 12,000 milliamp hours battery, flashlight, reading light, SOS alarm, and it charges your phone. With solar, hand crank, USB, and battery backup. It's designed for true emergencies. Whether you're camping or prepping, this is one of those tools you'll be glad you have when you need it. Engagement hook. If you lost power for 3 days, what's the first thing you do? Comment below. And finally, let's talk comfort at camp. The ALPS Eclipse table isn't just portable, it's genius. Dual level design with built-in cup holders, durable fabric stretched on an aluminum frame, and packs down into a tiny carry bag, whether you're playing cards, eating dinner, or keeping drinks safe by the fire. This table levels up your entire campsite. Would you use this more for meals or games? Let's hear it. Imagine you're camping deep in the woods. Suddenly something moves in the dark. What do you do? With the Basu sound grenade, you just pull the pin and BAM a 130 decibel alarm blast, scaring off animals or attackers instantly. Lightweight, TSA approved, and attaches to your backpack or keychain. This isn't just an alarm, it's peace of mind. Whether for solo hikers, night runners, or campers, this $25 tool could be your most valuable piece of gear. Would you use this more for animal defense or personal safety? Drop your answer in the comments. Now let's talk preparedness. The MyFAK First Aid Kit packs 132 life-saving items into a compact tear-away maul bag. From trauma shears and burn gel to space blankets and splints, this isn't your cheap drugstore kit. It's the difference between being stuck helpless and being the hero in an emergency. Hunters, hikers, families, if safety is non-negotiable for you, this is the kit you need. What's the one first aid item you never camp without? Comment below. I'll feature the most popular answers in the next video. Think big, carry small. The Gerber Gear Dime is a tiny 2.75-inch multi-tool that packs 12 essentials: pliers, scissors, knife, screwdrivers, tweezers, and even a package opener that slices through clamshell packaging like butter. It's compact enough for your keychain, yet rugged enough for real outdoor tasks. At $28, this is EDC gear that punches way above its weight. Be honest, how many multi-tools do you own? Let's see who's got the biggest collection in the comments. You know that awkward, multiple trip struggle carrying all your gear? Not anymore. The Max Sports collapsible wagon hauls up to 150 pounds of coolers, tents, or firewood. Sets up in seconds, folds down to just 8 inches for storage, and even has cup holders. Perfect for camping, tailgates, or even hauling groceries. Honestly, once you own this wagon, you'll wonder how you live without it. Quick poll, do you pack light or do you bring everything on camping trips? Comment light or everything. Okay foodies, imagine turning your SUV into a full restaurant-grade kitchen in under 60 seconds. The She-Wagon slide-out kitchen has a sink, chopping area, stove platform, utensil hooks, and storage drawers, all in one rugged slide-out system. This isn't camping, this is glamping chef-level cooking. For $379, you're basically bringing your own mobile kitchen to the wild. If I made a full outdoor cooking series with this setup, would you watch it? Smash that like button if yes. Hygiene matters, even in the backcountry. The Boxio portable sink is a self-contained, no electricity sink with separate fresh and gray water tanks. Pump the handle, and you've got running water for washing hands, dishes, or gear. Lightweight, German engineered, and stackable with other Boxio gear. This is next-level convenience for camping, RV life, or even outdoor events. What's the first thing you'd use this portable sink for? Washing hands, cleaning food, or brushing teeth? Divers and beach lovers, this one's for you. The BioLite Exo Mesh Duffel Bag is a massive 136-liter gear hauler made from quick-dry mesh, so your wet fins, wetsuits, or snorkels won't turn moldy at under $20. It's lightweight, durable, and folds flat for storage. Perfect for scuba, kayaking, or even beach days with the kids. If you had this bag right now, what's the first thing you'd pack in it? Drop it in the comments. This is the crown jewel for overlanders. The Wildfinder hard-shell rooftop tent fits on SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks, pops up in minutes, and sleeps up to 3 people on a 5 cm comfort mattress with waterproofing, UV protection, LED lights, and storage pockets. It turns your car into a fortress of comfort. At just over $1,000, it's an investment, but if adventure is your lifestyle, it pays back every night under stars. Would you rather sleep on the ground in a tent or up high in a rooftop tent? Let's settle this debate in the comments. Power anywhere, anytime. The Renogy solar blanket folds down to backpack size, but delivers a massive 200 watts of high-efficiency power. With USB-C, USB-A, and 12 volts outputs, it charges phones, power stations, or RV batteries with ease. Durable, lightweight, and weather-resistant. This is a must-have for campers who don't want to go dark off-grid. If you could power one device while camping, what would it be? Phone, fridge, or lights? Comment below. Finally, let's expand your outdoor living space. The Camp Keeper SUV awning attaches to your vehicle, creating 110 square feet of shade or rain protection. Sets up in minutes, packs small, and costs just over $100. Perfect for tailgating, beach trips, or turning your SUV into a base camp. Think of it as your portable backyard anywhere. SUV campers, what's your dream vehicle setup? Jeep, 4Runner, or van? Let's hear it. So there you have it, 30 next-level camping gadgets that'll take your outdoor game from basic to legendary. Every product is linked below in the description with exclusive Amazon deals. Don't wait, because these are selling fast. Which gadget blew your mind the most today? Comment below. Hit that like button if you discovered your new must-have gear. And smash subscribe for weekly outdoor gear reviews. Until next time, stay wild, stay prepared, and keep exploring. And hey, if this video hits 10,000 likes, I'll do a part 2 with even crazier survival gear.